Help opa lang.
Zo, zit u goed?
Houdoe.
Houdoe. Houdoe.
Houdoe, skat.
Doei doei, zegt toch.
Doei, doei. Bedankt, Peter. Houdoe.
Houdoe.
Doei, meisje. Goed vasthouden van de papier, hè? Tapos na yung aking 3 hours na part-time. Uwi na po ako. Ano lang to? 10 minutes na lakad. 9 to 10 minutes ganun. Mag-drop-by tayo doon sa aking suki na ano na ng fruits. Ay, welcome na naman pala no, sa panibagong video. I hope okay kayong lahat. Kami okay naman na. Kaming lahat okay na kami. Salamat po sa mga nag-message ba. Sa mga nagsabi na sana magpagaling na kami ganun. Salamat talaga. Ano po ngayon? Wednesday. And kita nyo naman medyo okay yung weather. This morning umulan. So kaya medyo wet yung paligid. And then medyo malamig kaninang umaga. Pero ngayon mainit na naman. So bahay na naman tayo nito. Kasi ayoko nang masyadong mainit. Kasi mabilis pong sumakit yung ulo ko. Kaya pag mainit, talagang kinakabahan ako. Kasi for sure, sakit na naman sa ulo ba. Every Wednesday gusto ko po doon kasi andun yung lolo ng aking kliyente. So nagchichika kami, nag-coffee kami ng mga 15 to 20 minutes. Napapractice ko talaga yung aking Dutch ba. Ayan. Yan na yung church sa amin na ginawang apartment, guys. Palagi nyo ito nakikita sa mga videos ko. Gustong gusto ko sana tong church na to. Sayang ginawang apartment ba. Malapit lang naman sana kami sa simbahan. And katapat niyan, andun na yung suki natin na mga vegetables and fruits. Ayan, ang ganda no? Hindi pa po ako nakapasok dyan. Kasi nga, nung dumating ako dito, ginagawa siya, yung yung interior niya ginagawa. Kasi nga, ginawang apartment ba. Andyan na yung suki natin, guys. Kilalanin nila kami. So, pag pumupunta kami ni Ana, binibigyan nila ng apple si Ana. Dito na tayo. May pa ako dito. Free taste. Sarap. Malapit na po tayo sa bahay. Madalian lang doon sa my fruits and vegetables kasi tumatawa siya sa akin na nag-video ako pa. Sabi ko, nag-vlog ako minsan. Tapos yung babae nakatingin na siya sa akin kasi naghihintay na siya ba na sa turn niya. So nahiya naman ako no. Alam niyo naman dito madalian palagi ba. Lahat madalian para silang hinahabol. Ay, kainit sa balay. Sus, timing na timing. Kakarating lang din ni Mister, oh. Nagpang-abot pa kami. Pagdating ng bahay, diretso. Diretso himog pagkaon sa tong bana.
Charlie drinkt goed.
I almost forgot our anniversary, guys. Anniversary namin ni Ruth bukas.
Yeah, here. Do you know who's the best one in the relationship? I didn't forget one.
What?
I didn't forget.
Yeah, but you always forget our real anniversary, not the...
January.
Yeah, that's what I always remember, not the wedding.
That's a good excuse for this one.
Were you disappointed, Papa?
Hmm?
Were you disappointed?
Nee,
Hey, you already know it was...
I already expected it. You have high expectations.
Yeah, tay.
Just to eat it.
The egg, you mean? You want the cracker, ba? Just do the cracker. Egg is live for low carb.
I'm not
I
a big
was-
fan of druivenman.
I know. And best for ano doon. Bumili po ako ng grapes tsaka blueberries doon sa market. Kaya guys, actually disappointed yan si Ruth kasi nakalimutan ko yung anniversary namin. Agoy! Sumbong ka agad siya sa nanay niya tsaka tatay niya.
Viewers know you have a house in the Filipijnen?
Huh?
That you have a house? They know that?
Yeah. You know what makes it not so, how do I say that? Kaumay ba?
Come on, bye bye.
I don't know how you call it in English, but it's like you're a little bit disgusted already. That's not the right word. Like umay, nakakaumay ba? Luod na ba? Luod. You have to wash that one. Did you wash it?
Which one?
The blueberries.
Nee.
Prepare kami ng lunch niya. Strawberry, blueberries, takalag, diat avocado dodong wala.
Yeah, I can do without too. Well, it's good.
Just eat cracker, so it's not,
No, I'll eat a cracker too. At least one.
Ayan yung lunch. Plus, low carb na cracker, tsaka cheese. Yun lang yung kakainin. It's makalik.
Dankjewel.
Saan naman asiyo? Hindi ako naghiwa, oh.
What? It's good, what?
Right there.
Yeah, I can do it on your back if you want, but... Well.
Kung bana ba, kung bana guys, amo.
Banana.
Bana is husband ba?
I know.
I said my husband is crazy.
Nee. Those normal person I know from.
Wala. Yan yung lunch ko ay yung same pa din yung pork belly kasi meron pa. Last na lang to. Dalawang piraso lang to tapos yan may lettuce tayo. Yung dressing natin same pa rin. Dressing and dip same. Nilagyan ko lang to ng ano din ng sesame oil para may ano naman mabango. Tapos ang sirot nag-cracker na siya ngayon.
Bangong.
Low carb cracker na nilagyan niya ng cheese. Very good guys, Papa. 78 na, no? 78 kilos.
78.5.
From 82. Oh, diba? Second week pa lang ni Ruth ngayon. That's one thing I noticed with low carb. Nung nag-start ako ng low carb, magaan sa feeling ba? Hindi ka mabilis mapagod. Nawala yung, ano ko, yung tawag dito? Ang hupong ba? Kasi namamaga yung ano ko dati guys, yung paa ko. Tapos nawala siya. Yung vertigo ko din, wala na, hindi na bumalik. Aray ko. Ever since. And sometimes medyo nahilo ako pero hindi mo siya vertigo. Yun lang ano ba pag meron ako minsan. Tapos ano pa ba? Hindi na masyadong masakit yung likod ko, hindi na masyadong masakit yung bewang. Yun. Yung mga benefits ng para sa akin ng low carb so far. Hindi ko lang alam no, na-notice ko lang ba na nag-low carb na ako. You don't easily feel tired.
No, not really.
Because before I was like fatigued and
More when I ate. When I just ate.
what I mean
Not
is
before
like
eating.
what I mean is like when you have this kind of lifestyle. Like before I started low carb, I would easily get tired. Like after cleaning for 3 hours, I'm like really down, you know, and a lot of muscle pain and stuff like that. My back was bad. Nakaalis na po si Mr. guys. And tapos na tayong kumain. So, may time po ako mag-relax. Si Ana andun pa po sa lolo't lola. Nakita nyo kanina, di ba? Sinundo siya ng lolo maaga. Because normally, kasi ngayon, vacation si Ana sa school, di ba? Yun, school break ngayon. Then, free din yung aking in-laws kasi sa school din sila nag-work. So, para makapag part-time po ako, sinusundo nila si Ana. Except last week kasi the whole week nandun sila sa camping. And then next week din, free po ako the whole week because my in-laws are going camping again in the north. So, may time ako with Ana. Sinabihan ko na po 2 or 3 weeks before yung aking mga kliyente na hindi ako makakapasok. So, yun. 'Di ba? Yung ganitong trabaho, flexible talaga guys. Ito yung gusto ko sa trabahong to. Flexible na flexible. And then, pag may sakit si Ana, na kailangan kong mag-cancel, kinakancel ko sila. Pag kailangan talaga. Pero most of the time, pag may mga ganap, I inform them way ahead kasi particular po sila sa ganyan, sa appointment, sa time. Importante po dito yan. Hindi pwede yung ura-urada unless emergency talaga. And buti na lang yung mga kliyente ko, super bait na wala pa akong problema sa kanila. But yeah, going back sa chika ko kanina, no, na-mention ko kanina, guys, nag-guilty po ako kasi nga, nakalimutan ko yung anniversary namin talaga. Few months ago, nag-book si Ruth ng, gusto niya mag-book ng dinner sa, August 8. His parents were here at that time. And then, sabi niya kay mama niya, Ma, can you look after Ana sa date na to? Kasi nagpa-plan kami noon na chine-check niyo yung calendar namin. Sabi niya, pwede niyo bang kunin si Ana sa August 8? Kasi lalabas kami ni G. Kain kami sa labas. Sabi niya, Buang, I will book ulit doon sa sa 18th Tide. Ano po siya? Buffet restaurant. Ano siya? Asian buffet restaurant. So sabi ko, kasi June yata yun. Sabi ko, why August 8? Why not June 8 and July 8? And then nakita ko talaga sa mukha ni Mr. parang na-confuse siya ba na parang, huh? What do you mean why? I said, yeah, why? Why does it have to be August 8? Why not another date in June or July? Sabi ni Ruth, you don't know what's special about August 8? You can't remember anything about August 8? Nag-loading pa rin ako guys. So, sabi niya, see mom, she forgot. And then, ayun na, na-realize ko, ala, sorry. Sabi ko, anniversary pa. Wedding anniversary pala namin. Na-disappoint siya, guys. Sabi niya, ay, naku, nakakalimutan mo. Sabi ko naman, in my defense naman, sabi ko, kasi yung anniversary na palagi kong iniisip, yung anniversary talaga natin, no, naging tayo. Ano yun, kasi January yung namin, anniversary. Pero si Mr. talaga, yung niya, palagi niya kakalimutan yung January. Nire-remind ko pa siya. Pero yung kasal namin, talaga niya, guys, bukang bibig niya. So, feeling ko yan na yung palagi niya matatandaan yung anniversary namin. So, yun. Tomorrow po, yun talaga yung anniversary namin. So, bukas po, abangan nyo. Isasama ko po kayo. Malalabas po kami ni Mr. na kami lang dalawa. I-try ko lang po. I will try my best na i-include si Ana sa vlog namin kasi the whole day. I think starting tonight. I'm not sure if they're bringing Ana home tonight dito. Feeling ko, depende kay OMAP kung may plan siya. Pero I think Ana spending the night there. So that means hindi ko po makikita ulit si Ana today. We shall see. And then, most likely tomorrow po, hindi ko makikita si Ana the whole day. Doon din po yun matutulog. Mag-video call lang kami. Kasi tomorrow, may part-time ako. And then after the part-time, may Dutch class din ako. So, yun. Diba? Busy ang life ng nanay. Tapos, at 6 o'clock, 6:30, 6 or 6:30, yun yung aming reservation doon sa buffet restaurant. So, isasama ko po kayo bukas. Diba? Ay, na-disappoint talaga si Mr. guys, pero naintindihan naman yun. Sinabi ko lang, pasensyahan mo na, ang dami ko kasing iniisip, and then, mom brain. Yun talaga. Honestly talaga, nakalimutan ko siya. Ay, nako. But yeah, anyway guys, magre-relax po muna tayo, no? And balikan ko na lang po kayo mamaya. Sana talaga ihatid nila si Ana para makita nyo din si Ana mamaya.
A few moments later.
Xin chào.
Hoe is het?
Goed.
Ja, voor Anna en oma in de center.
Yeah?
Worstelen met kruidvat, zie je Bart.
Still there?
David.
Because she sent me a picture of Anna.
Yeah. They went there, but Opa is a little bit sick, so Oma bought some food too simple to
But
go on.
if they want that, they can bring Anna.
I told them, but nee, and Anna of course said, nee, doe Opa, no.
Guys,
She
hindi
stays
pala
there
uwi
Friday
siya.
morning to bring her.
Okay, ginoo ko. Wednesday po ngayon. Bernes na naman isa sa uli yung anak ko.
Because Friday is
But
good.
let's go tomorrow there, Dodong, before we go to Uden. I want to see Anna.
Because
Quickly, yeah.
at 6:30 we eat and I finish at 5:30.
Yeah.
We hold a lot longer then. She bought some for kruidvat to make forms, like shapes in it.
Oh, like a masak clay. Lobat na yung ano ko guys, yung camera ko. Akala ko nag-record pa. Yan yung dinner namin. May konting carrots tayo tonight. Chicken. Hindi ko na po napakita kasi nalobat. Bacon, egg. Same din kay Mr. It's smakelijk!
Smakelijk.
One in Rotterdam, she's also losing weight. And last time she sent me a message. She said, "I'd like to thank you, blah, for the like inspiring, blah, blah, from studying Dutch to naturalization to losing weight." She lost 10 kilos.
Which one? What's the name?
The one by I told you from Friesland, and then now to they moved to Rotterdam, because she's also trying to lose weight, but she's not doing strict low carb. She's just more on like exercise and of course her food, not low carb. But 84 to 74 pounds, that's really a lot.
Yeah.
So we agreed if we hit our goal.
And how many time?
I don't know. Every day she walks.
Okay.
If we hit our goal weight, we will go to Wow Crab because it was cancelled many times.
Oh, that go.
Yeah. The one you saw at the Philippine Independence Day. It's really hot, no? Oh, I'm glad you're doing the diet too, Bon.
That's good for me, Bon.
That's good.
Later, I had to eat a bit more food. Later, not now, but after diet, a little bit more food.
Strawberry, blueberries. This is your last meal, so you have to eat.
I will eat.
But I think if I get hungry, I'll just eat cracker and cheese. But I'll try to stretch it as long as I can.
You should eat, Bon.
This is good for first meal because it's a lot. Oh,
In the freezer, we still have a lot of food, huh?
we don't have beef. I checked. Only the minced beef.
That should be beef.
Yeah, I already cooked it. Remember?
Not 3 kilo.
I cooked it.
3 kilo?
I don't know if it's 3 kilos, but I cooked it before. It's really hot.
Like the food.
No, it's really hot. I feel hot. I put a little bit of ginger, so it's not very. How do I say? Like.
Blunt.
No, not blunt. What's like fishy? Fishy smell? Like, not fishy. This is chicken, but it's you get the idea. I don't know how to explain it in English. No, it's not really smelly, like fishy smell. Diane messaged me if I know somebody from Leeuwarden who can work. I said, yeah, I don't know anyone else in Leeuwarden.
I don't even know people from there.
Because they are really looking for people. She works 6 days a week now, doesn't
You don't have also a restaurant in Eindhoven and Den Bosch?
What? Balik mo
Same.
bagon ka? if I work 6 days a week, you do the laundry, you do the cleaning, you do the food, you clean the...
I already do that.
Ja, tayo. It's really hot.
A few moments later.
Voor het 10e en 11e goud gaan zorgen. De enige keer dat we beter waren was in Sydney. Het was in 2000. Toen namen we 12 gouden plakken mee naar huis. Dat komt wel goed, want we hebben nog die gouden plakken.
Tumawag si Bianan guys, may sakit yung aking biyanang lalaki. So, pick upin namin si Ana. Kasi baka maano daw ba, mahahawa. Ito na tayo sa White House. White House. Hoy, Sena. Ay, 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 ay. Hallo. Agoy. Yeah. Una. Pagod na. Yan, binilhan ng Oma ng ano,
Kom,
bagong laruan.
Kom maar hier.
Sige na, so we can go.
Dus proeven.
Guys, yung aking biyan ng lalaki ay talagang may sakit. Same nung sintomas namin ni Ruth. Pati ni Oma. You don't want to say hi to the guys? They want to see you, Baya. They want to see you. They miss you when you're not in the vlog. Yeah, they want to see you. Mensen willen jou zien, hè?
Kom maar gaan.
We gaan.
Jouw baas die fietste
Ja, maar ik ga zo hierheen.
hier toe en ik zei nee, maar
Let's go!
Oh.
Anna, mag ook ijs komen?
die is tegelijk
Zwaar.
bij jou.
Oma en opa huisreis samen.
Ja. Ja, maar opa is een beetje ziek, hè.
Yeah. Pauwi na po kami. And dito ko na i-end yung video. Ano na ako kanina guys. Nag-outro na ako pero tumawag man yung ano yung habang kumakain kami ni Ruth ba. Pero tumawag yung mama ni Ruth kasi may sakit si Bian na lalaki. So dito ko na lang po i-end yung ating pa-video. No? Maraming salamat sa panonood. Duy! Mush mush babush! Ana, duy duy! Ay, busy siya guys.